Doctors.
Doctors are some of the most important people in our society. They help keep us healthy and care for us when we are sick. A doctor is a trained professional who treats illnesses and injuries. Doctors also work to prevent diseases and promote good health. They play a vital role in making sure people live long and healthy lives. Doctors go through many years of training to learn how to care for patients. After high school, they go to medical school, where they study subjects like biology, anatomy, and medicine. This training takes many years because being a doctor requires a lot of knowledge and skill. After medical school, doctors continue to learn by working in hospitals and clinics under the supervision of experienced doctors. This hands-on experience helps them understand how to treat real patients. There are many different types of doctors, each specializing in different areas of medicine. General practitioners or family doctors treat common illnesses like colds, flu, and minor injuries. They also give advice on staying healthy and help patients manage chronic conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. Family doctors are often the first person you see when you feel sick. They help diagnose problems and, if needed, send you to a specialist. Specialist doctors focus on specific parts of the body or certain types of diseases. For example, cardiologists specialize in the heart, while dermatologists treat skin problems. Surgeons perform operations to fix injuries or remove things like tumors. Pediatricians take care of children, and gynecologists focus on women's health. There are many more types of specialists, and each one plays an important role in helping people stay healthy. One of the most important things a doctor does is diagnose illnesses. When a patient comes to the doctor with symptoms, the doctor must figure out what is causing the problem. This can be like solving a puzzle. The doctor asks questions, looks at the patient's medical history, and does tests to find out what is wrong. Once the doctor knows the problem, they can decide the best way to treat it. Doctors use many different tools and tests to help diagnose and treat patients. Stethoscopes are used to listen to the heart and lungs. Blood tests help doctors see if there are any problems in the body, like infections or low levels of important vitamins. X-rays and MRI scans let doctors see inside the body to check for broken bones or other issues. These tools help doctors understand what is happening inside the body so they can provide the right treatment. Treatment can involve many things. For some illnesses, doctors prescribe medicine. Medicines help fight infections, reduce pain, or manage conditions like asthma or allergies. For other problems, doctors may suggest physical therapy to help a patient recover from an injury. In more serious cases, doctors might recommend surgery to fix an issue. Doctors also give advice on how to live a healthy lifestyle, such as eating well, exercising, and getting enough rest. A doctor's job is not only to treat illnesses, but also to prevent them. Preventive care is a big part of a doctor's work. This means helping people avoid getting sick in the first place. Doctors give vaccinations to protect against diseases like the flu, measles, and polio. They also do regular checkups to find health problems early before they become serious. For example, checking blood pressure can help catch heart disease early, and cancer screenings can help detect cancer before it spreads. Preventive care saves lives and helps people stay healthy. Doctors also provide emotional support to their patients. Being sick can be scary, and patients often feel worried or anxious about their health. Doctors talk to their patients to explain what is happening and what they can do to get better. They answer questions and give reassurance. A kind and understanding doctor can make a big difference in how a patient feels during a difficult time. In addition to treating individual patients, doctors also work to improve public health. Public health doctors focus on the health of entire communities. They look for ways to prevent the spread of diseases, improve access to health care, and educate people about healthy living. Public health doctors play an important role during health emergencies, like outbreaks of diseases or natural disasters, by helping coordinate medical care and finding solutions to keep people safe. The work of doctors is very demanding. Doctors often work long hours, especially in hospitals. They may be on call, meaning they must be ready to help at any time, day or night. Doctors see many patients each day, and some cases can be very challenging. Treating serious illnesses such as cancer or heart disease can be emotionally difficult. However, doctors understand that their work is important, and many find great satisfaction in helping people recover and live healthier lives. Technology has changed the way doctors do their jobs. Modern technology helps doctors diagnose and treat patients more quickly and accurately. For example, robotic surgery allows doctors to perform very delicate operations with precision. Telemedicine lets doctors talk to patients over the phone or video calls, making it easier for people to get care without leaving their homes. Medical research also helps doctors find new treatments and cures for diseases, improving health care for everyone. Being a doctor requires many skills. Doctors need to be good at communicating with patients and listening to their concerns. They must be able to explain complex medical information in a way that is easy to understand. Doctors also need to be good at solving problems and thinking critically. Sometimes, a patient's symptoms are not clear, and the doctor must use their knowledge and experience to figure out what is wrong. Patience and empathy are also important qualities for doctors, as they work with people who are often scared or in pain. Despite the challenges, being a doctor is a rewarding profession. Doctors save lives and help people feel better. They see the direct results of their work when a patient recovers from an illness or injury. Doctors also have the opportunity to continue learning throughout their careers. Medicine is always changing, and doctors must stay up to date with the latest research and treatments. This makes the job exciting, as doctors are always learning new ways to help their patients. In many cultures, doctors are highly respected because of their important role in society. People trust doctors with their health and their lives. The doctor-patient relationship is built on trust and respect. Patients rely on doctors to make the best decisions for their health, and doctors take this responsibility very seriously. In conclusion, the role of a doctor is essential to the health and well-being of individuals and society as a whole. Doctors diagnose and treat illnesses, provide preventive care, and support patients emotionally. They work in many different specialties, from general practice to surgery, and use modern tools and technology to improve healthcare. Being a doctor requires years of education, dedication, and compassion, but it is a highly rewarding career. Doctors make a positive impact on people's lives every day, and their work is vital to creating a healthier and happier world.